Hello guys, I am Rizel and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox this Princess Tiffin Box and I really use this quality Tiffin Box because I love these. And there are so many types of like princess themes, Barbie themes, but I only want princess themes. Okay, so let's start unboxing. So let's open this. On the cover you can see all three of the princess photos: Ariel, Snow White, and I forgot her name. Let's see. You got a spoon in there. It's like half fork and half simple spoon. It's pink color. And you got to put toast or anything you want in this section, and in this you can put your like some sauce or some vegetables, like things. And you got colored by the theme, like this is princess theme, so you got only two colors like purple and pink, and one is that is yellow and green. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, so do not forget to give my video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share my videos.